Welcome to the Viomi V3 MAX official demo video. Firstly, let's look at what's in the box. This is a user manual. Make sure you quickly go through it before using V3 MAX. We got one extra side brush here for future replacement, in case the one installed on the robot vacuum wears out. And here's the robot vacuum, V3 MAX. Let's unwrap it. Then flip it. It looks really nice. Here's the charging dock. It's quite small, which means it doesn't take up much space. And of course, we got a charger. It looks good too. And we got 10 disposable mops, nice and neat. This is the cleaning brush with two ends, a brush and a knife, and it's used to clean the main brush. V3 MAX comes with a mop holder and two composite mops. The composite mops are washable and more environment-friendly. Now let's talk about functionalities. This is the upgraded 2-in-1 dust box plus water tank, and the water tank is washable since the electric water pump is on the robot vacuum. The dust box is 400 milliliters, and the water tank is 200 milliliters. And this is the one-click dustbin-emptying design, which means you don't need to touch the dirt. Just press the button to release it. Here's the HEPA filter. It's right here in the 2-in-1 dust box plus water tank, and you can take it out. It can block particles out and release clean air. And here's the mop holder and mops. Take a look at the mop holder and flip it. And the composite mops, flip them too. And a disposable mop, they look really nice. How to attach the composite mop? Just slide it in and stick it on. Come take a closer look, and you can see these are striped mops with soft and hard fiber. With this special design, V3 MAX can eliminate stubborn stains. How to attach a disposable mop? Actually, the same as attaching a composite one. Our disposable mops are made of first-class cotton. They are super soft and will never damage your floors. And this is a side brush. It's made of fiber, so it can reduce tangling. It reaches along the edges to remove dirt, dust, and debris. And here's the cleaning brush with a double-end design. It's very practical. You can use the brush to remove dust from the main brush and use a knife to cut the entangled hair. And we got a charging dock. And charger. Flip the charging dock and lift the lid. Then plug in the charger. Here's the user manual. Please read it carefully. And this is the 700 milliliter water tank, which works well for larger houses, but it shall be purchased separately. What's the actual capacity of the 700 milliliter water tank? Let's test it out. Let's zoom in and have a close look. This is a constant pressure electric water tank, and you can wash it. Because the electric pump is installed on the robot vacuum instead of the water tank, so no water damage. And this is the electric-controlled water outlet. The water you put in the water tank goes out through this outlet. And here's the electric pump. It's on the robot vacuum instead of the water tank. A constant pressure electric water tank precisely controls water usage by controlling the power on time of the water pump, so there's no leakage when it's off. It does the job while protecting the floor. It's exactly opposite of a gravity water tank because a gravity water tank is always leaking. It makes you mop for nothing and damages your floor. The dimensions of Viomi V3 MAX and the dimensions of the charging dock. And let's see more specs. Being the best budget litter robot vacuum mop on the market, V3 MAX features a lot of advanced designs that are commonly seen on its high-end siblings. V3 MAX can swiftly adapt to a variety of complex environments, accurately learns the layout of users' home, and automatically builds a map of the space after the first mapping. Here's the anti-collision sensor. It makes sure V3 MAX won't bump into your furnitures. And these are the cliff sensors. They can detect walls and obstacles. And now, let's unveil the secret of the vacuum. The garbage can be smoothly gathered by the side brush to the vicinity of the main brush. Then the garbage will be sucked into the dust box through the main brush. And this is the vacuum inlet. Here's the V-shaped main brush. It can get all the dust, dirt, and debris into the air duct. And this is the floating main brush cover. And these are the Japanese Kosen NVR wear-resistant tires. With a floatable tire design, V3 MAX can easily climb over obstacles, even if they are 2 centimeters in height. We use brushless DC, BLDC motors on V3 MAX instead of conventional brushed ones because they are compact yet powerful. In order to reduce friction and noise, Viomi engineers put cotton patches on main brush cover. And yes, it's time to start cleaning. To ensure auto dock of the robot, please leave more than 50 centimeters of space on both sides and more than 1.2 meters at the front of the base. How to connect V3 MAX to Mi Home app? It's quite easy. Just press and hold both the power and home buttons for 5 seconds. Then tap the plus sign. Then search device name V3 MAX. Then tap Operation Confirmed. Then select Router. Please make sure the Wi-Fi is at good signal and don't use 5G networks.
Wi-Fi connection has been reset. Awaiting network connection.
Add device and tap Done. Then select Room, rename device, Then tap Let's Get Started. Yay! Now your V3 Max is connected to Mi Home app. And it's time to mop. Fill the water tank with water. Slowly and steadily, of course. Please don't fill the water tank with detergent, disinfectant, or other corrosive liquids. And it's time to put the 2-in-1 dust box back in. Then thoroughly wet the mop and wring it out. Slide it on and stick it to the mop holder. And then install the mop holder. It's quite easy.
Mop pad has been installed.
And now, you should choose a cleaning mode according to your cleaning needs. First tap the 3 dots on the upper left corner. Then tap Mopping and Vacuuming and Mopping modes. Please read the tips carefully. You can select the S-shaped mode, or you can select the Y-shaped mode. If your floor just needs a fast cleaning, S-Mopping is perfect for that, and it saves power too. And if you'd like some in-depth cleaning for your floor, Y-Mopping is your go-to option. It mops the floor back and forth in a Y pattern move, just the way humans do it. Tap Start to start cleaning. And now your house is being cleaned. In the meantime, you can just chill on the couch. Viomi V3 MAX will automatically go back to the charging dock. Cleaning done, and now your floor is as clean as new. How would 27,000 PA strong suction perform? Let's find out. First, let's see how it performs on the carpet. It can pick up all the dust, dirt, crumbs, and pet hair on the carpet. And now, it's time to see how it performs on the wooden floor. Wow, it cleans everything! And now it's time to put V3 Max's mopping ability to the test. If you are in the mood for daily cleaning, just select S-Mopping on Mi Home app and consider it done. V3 Max also comes with an exclusive feature called Y-pattern mopping that mimics in-depth manual cleaning. It also has a unique feature called one-click Dustbin-emptying Design, which means you don't need to touch the dirt. Just press the button to release it. If you want more tutorial videos, please go to viomi.com/tutorial-videos or scan the QR code here. Or you can just click the link in the description. If you want to know more about Viomi, please go to www.viomi.com, or you can click the link in the description. And if you want to contact our support team, please email support@viomi.com.